Hello everyone, good morning. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. My dear students, in today's class we will start with the chapter number 4, Space, Shapes and Patterns. We will talk about the shapes today. So let's bring out your books and be ready for your class. Okay, so now here on page number 51, chapter number 4, the first thing is given a picture here. You can see a picture here. Yes. So what we have to do here, the given picture shows the scene of a kitchen. Picture में हमें क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? The scene of a kitchen. Yes. Kitchen का scene दिखाई दे रहा है. And look at it carefully and tick the correct word. इसे हमने carefully देखना है and we have to give the answers for these questions. Here we have to tick the correct option on page number 52. Here is the first sentence. The chimney is above or below the slab. चिमनी जो है वो स्लैब के above है या below है. What does the above and below means? Above means ऊपर and below means नीचे. Yes, the chimney is above or below the slab. So see in this picture, here is the slab and the chimney is above the slab. Okay, so we have to tick here on above. You can see on above we have to tick like this. The second is the apples are inside or outside the ball. Apples are inside or outside the ball. So look at the picture. Where are the apples? Apples are inside the ball. Yes, ball के अंदर हैं. Inside means अंदर and outside means बाहर. Yes, so we have to tick on inside. Tick on inside like this. The third one is the knife is lying above or below the slab. Where is knife? Above or below the slab. It is above the slab. So you have to tick on above. The knife is lying above the slab. The next and last one is the breads are inside or outside the toaster. So see here, breads are inside or outside the toaster. See in the picture carefully. Yes, breads are outside the toaster. Yes, breads outside है, बाहर है. So we have to tick on outside. Outside like this. So the next thing is inside and outside. Here you have the topic inside and outside again. Tick the ones that are inside and cross the ones that are outside. One has been done for you. The first is done. You can see here is, you can see these things are inside the geometry box and these are outside. So tick on inside and cross on outside. The next is bag and a book. The single book is outside the book bag and these are inside the bag. So tick on the picture of a bag and cross on book. Next one is bananas and fruits in the ball. So the bananas are outside. We will make a cross here and tick on the another side. I hope you all are doing and enjoying the class. Very good. The next thing is near and far. Near and far. Okay, tell me what is near. Do you know what is near? Near means pass. Near means pass. And far means dur. Far means dur. So here what we have to do, see, tick the dog near the boy. Here in this picture you can see two dogs. Yes, but we have to tick only that dog which is near the boy. जो dog boy के पास है हमें उसे tick करना है. So we will tick here on this small dog. The next thing is cross the child far from the ball. Cross the child far from the ball. Here are two children. Yes, and one ball. We have to cross that child which is far from ball. जो child ball से दूर है, far है, हमें उस पर cross करना है. So this girl child we have make. On this girl child we will make cross. Okay. The next thing is cross the bird far from the tree. Here are two birds in this picture. Yes. And which bird is far from the tree? We have to make a cross on that bird. इनमें से जो bird tree से दूर है, that is this purple one, we will make a cross on this bird. Okay. Next thing is top and bottom. Top and bottom. What is top and what is bottom? You have already done in KG class. Yes, सबने किया हुआ है. These pre-number concepts you all have done in KG class. So you all remember which is top and what is bottom. Top means ऊपर and bottom means नीचे. Okay. So tick the one that is on the top and cross the one that is on the at the bottom. One has been done for you. One is already done. See, the ball is on the top. So here is a tick for ball and taddy is at the bottom. So here is the cross. And for another picture, this one is on top. We will make a tick here and this child is at the bottom. So make a cross here. Again on these wings, the one child is on the top. Make a tick for him and this child is at the bottom. So make a cross for him. Done? I hope you all understand. Now we will talk about plane shapes which you have already done in your previous class. You all knows about the shapes. Which shapes you know? Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, oval, star. Very good. You all knows about these shapes. These are called plane shapes. These are called plane shapes. So now we will talk about plane shapes. Plane shapes. Look at the following figures to know about the side and corners. So हमें सबसे पहले क्या देखना है? Side and corners. So first here we have a triangle. Yes. So see here we have three corners in the triangle. These are called corners. इनको बोलते हैं corners. ये जो points हैं corners, इनको हम बोलते हैं corners. And this all side is, these are sides. इनको कहते हैं sides. What are these? Sides. Now I am making a square here. And now you will tell me how many corners are here in this square. Where are the corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 corners in a square. Square में कितनी corners है? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are here in a square? 4. Very good. And sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Yes, a square have 4 corners and 4 sides. एक square में 4 corners होती हैं and 4 sides. Understand what is the corner and what is side? Very good. Now see, here is the first picture of Ludo. Yes, Ludo है ना? तो लूडो का शेप क्या है देखिए. Ludo is square in shape. Yes, and a square has 4 corners, 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. Square की 4 sides जो हैं वो equal होती हैं, same size की होती हैं. Okay. Here on next page you can see a picture of a green board or blackboard. Blackboard or green board जो है ना. See here is the whiteboard of ma'am. Yes, this is also rectangle in shape. Rectangle. Rectangle have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners a rectangle have? 4 corners. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle have 4 corners and 4 sides again. But how it is different from square? ये square से कैसे different है? Square have 4 equal sides. Yes, but rectangles, 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. Yes, we see here the whiteboard of ma'am is also in shape of rectangle. It has 4 corners. Yes, and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 4 sides and 4 corners. But see, these 2 sides are small and these 2 sides are long. Understand? A square have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. A rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides again, but 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. See in the next picture, here is a signboard. Signboard है यहाँ पर, देखिए आपने देखा होगा रोड पर सबने. So signboard is in triangle shape. Yes, this is a triangle and triangle have 3 corners and 3 sides. Triangle की कितनी sides होती हैं? 3. And how many corners a triangle have? Again 3. Very good. The last is circle. Here is a wheel you can see in this picture. Wheel of a cycle, wheel of a car, scooty, bike are all in shape of circle. Yes. You can see the clock in your house that are also circle in shape. Okay. So a circle is round in shape. Circle जो है वो shape में क्या होता है? Round. Round है circle and it has no side, no corner. Circle की कोई भी side नहीं होती and नहीं कोई corner है. Yes, circle has no side and no corner. It is round in shape. ये shape में गोल होता है, round होता है. इसकी कोई भी side and corner नहीं है. I hope now you all understand about plane shapes. सबको plane shapes के बारे में पता चला? Very good. And you all knows about the sides and corners of the plane shapes now. Yes? Very good. The next is oval. Oval. Here you can see a picture of mirror in oval shape. This is oval. This is like a circle and has no side and no corner. ये भी क्या होता है? सर्कल की तरह ही होता है बट थोड़ा सा प्रॉपर राउंड नहीं है. Oval is not proper round like circle but it is a circle and it has also no side and no corner. Now here is, see, color the square blue, rectangle green, triangle orange, circles yellow, oval pink. One has been done for you. Here the pictures are given to you and you have to fill the color as indicated. ऊपर यहाँ जैसे बताया गया है कि कौन सी शेप में कौन सा कलर करना है, you have to follow the direction and color these all pictures. Okay, and the second thing is trace the shapes that you have learned and draw on your own. First of all, you have to trace these shapes like this. 3 times it is given like tracing, and after then you have to draw the shape here by your own. अपने आप आपको यहाँ पर shapes draw करना है. So this is your homework on page number 55 and 56 till here. You have to complete this page in your homework today. Bye bye. Take care.